हेलो सांग मैंने केमिति अछंती तो आज आम किसी इंपोर्टाट कंप्यूटर क्वेश्चन डिस्कसन करबा जोटा कि आगु को आसुआ सब एग्जाम पाई इंपोर्टाट रहइबो। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हिच कमांड ब्रिंग्स यू टू द फर्स्ट स्लाइड इन योर प्रेजेंटेशन इन एमएस पावर पॉइंट? यार उत्तर होची ऑप्शन सी कंट्रोल प्लस होम। तो द कमांड to bring you to the first slide in your presentation is control plus home। से जब कहूँ तुम जब स्लाइड पूरा फास्ट को जावाक चाहो तो कंट्रोल प्लस होम मारदेले सर्टकट पलैब होम को। तो 2 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ एटीएम? ए मशीन व्हिच फैसिलिटेट फाइनेंशियल ट्रांजैक्शन। तो यार उत्तर होची ऑप्शन ए ऑटोमेटेड टेलर मशीन। So ATM stands for automated teller machine, a machine that allows bank customers to perform financial transactions such as withdrawing cash and checking balance. 3 number question, what is the full form of KYC in banking terminology? तो यार उत्तर होची ऑप्शन सी नो योर कस्टमर। The KYC stands for Know Your Customer, a process used by bank and financial institution to verify the identity of their client. It helps prevent fraud, money laundering, and financial crimes. 10 number question, which operation in Access allow you to define relationship between tables? यार उत्तर होची ऑप्शन डी रिलेशनशिप। तो the relationship operation in MSSS allows you to define a relationship between tables, ensuring data integrity by enforcing a referential integrity. 5 number question, in MSSS a form with data records at one half and entry format at the other half may be created using dash menu. तो यार उत्तर होची ऑप्शन बी क्रिएट स्प्लिट फॉर्म। The split form in MSSS allows user to see both data records and the entry form simultaneously, making it easier to edit record while viewing the dataset. 6 number question, the shortcut key to copy a file is? तो यार उत्तर होची ऑप्शन बी कंट्रोल प्लस सी। The shortcut key Ctrl plus C is used to copy the selected file or text to the clipboard. 7 number, which option in Microsoft Word helps you copy the formatting information of a text and apply in multiple places? तो यार उत्तर होची ऑप्शन ए फॉर्मेट पेंटर। Format Painter is a tool in Microsoft Word that allows users to copy the formatting of one piece of text and apply it to others, ensuring consistent styling across the document. 8 number question, to access a web page, an URL is required. What is the full form of URL? तो यार उत्तर होची ऑप्शन ए यूनिफॉर्म रिसोर्स लोकेटर। URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator, which specifies the location of resource on the internet. 9 number, which of the following data types in SS can store image, video or other binary data? तो यार उत्तर होची OLE object. The OLE object data type in MSSS can store image, video or binary data, making it ideal for storing multimedia content. 10 number. Which of the following features of Microsoft Word automatically moves to the next line while reaching the end of the current line? এর উত্তরটা হচ্ছে অপশন ডি, ওয়ার্ড wrap. The word wrap automatically moves text to the next line when reaching the end of the current line, eliminating the needed to manually press the enter key. 11 number question. In MS PowerPoint, in order to see all the slides on one screen, এর উত্তরটা হচ্ছে অপশন এ, ভিউ দেন স্লাইড সেলেক্টর. To see all the slides on a screen, in MS PowerPoint, use view then slide shutter. This view allows to easy organization and comparison of slides. 12 number. What is the full form of Gmail? তার উত্তরটা হচ্ছে অপশন এ, গুগল মেল. Gmail stands for Google Mail, a free email service provided by Google that allows users to send and receive emails. 13 number. In Microsoft Word, you can generate a list of chapters and their corresponding page number by using dash. এর ঠিক উত্তর হচ্ছে অপশন সি, টেবল অফ কন্টেন্ট. The table of content option in Microsoft Word helps generate a list of chapters and their corresponding page numbers, making it easier to navigate large documents. 14 number. While working on a Microsoft Word document, pressing the F7 key will open up this dialog. এর উত্তরটা হচ্ছে অপশন সি, স্পেলিং এন্ড গ্রামার. Pressing F7 Microsoft Word open the spelling and grammar dialog, which helps in checking and correcting spelling and grammatical error in the document. 15 number question. Two tables can be linked with relationship so that the data integrity can be enforced. Where can you find relationship command in SS? তো এর উত্তরটা হচ্ছে অপশন সি, ডাটাবেস মেনু. The relationship command in MSSS can be found under the database menu, allowing you to define relationship between tables. 16 number. In Microsoft Word, you can choose the spelling and grammar option from the Dash tab. এর উত্তরটা হচ্ছে অপশন ডি, রিভিউ ট্যাব. The spelling and grammar option in Microsoft Word found under the review tab allow you to check for spelling mistake and grammatical error in your document. 7 number. In MS PowerPoint, the entry effect as one side replace another in a show is called. এর উত্তরটা হচ্ছে অপশন বি, স্লাইড transition. The effect when one slide replaces another in a show is called a slide transition. 8 number. The option in Excel that allows you to manually select the page layout boundary for printing is. এর উত্তরটা হচ্ছে অপশন সি, set print area. Set print area option in Excel allows users to manually select and define the specific range of cell that should be printed. 19 number question. The option to protect the Excel sheet and workbook is grouped under Desk tab. यार उत्तरटी होची ऑप्शन ए रिव्यू टैब. The option to protect Excel sheet and workbook is grouped under the review tab, which include protecting sheets and protecting workbook structures. Good number question. Dash tool is used to show more decimal places in an MS Excel cell. तो यार उत्तर होची ऑप्शन बी अलाइनमेंट तापरे परसेंटेज स्टाइल. The increase ident tool under the number category is used to show more decimal places in an Excel cell, increasing the precision of the data displayed. Question number. What is the shortcut key to select the entire worksheet content in MS Excel? तो यार उत्तर होची ऑप्शन डी शिफ्ट प्लस ए. Question number. What is the shortcut key to select the entire worksheet content in MS Excel? यार उत्तर होची ऑप्शन बी कंट्रोल प्लस ए. Control plus A is the shortcut key to select the entire content of a worksheet in Excel. Dash feature in Microsoft Excel allows you to print column and column heading repeatedly on each page. तो यार उत्तर होची ऑप्शन डी प्रिंट टाइटल्स. The print title feature in Excel allows you to print column heading repeatedly on each page, which is especially useful when dealing with large data sets paired over multiple pages. Test number. In MS PowerPoint, which of the following should be used when you want to add a slide to an exiting presentation? Here उत्तर होची ऑप्शन बी insert then new slide. To add a slide to an existing presentation, choose insert then new slide. 24 number question. In MS PowerPoint, how can you create a uniform appearance by adding a background image to all slides? तो यार उत्तर होची ऑप्शन बी एडिट द स्लाइड मास्टर. In MS PowerPoint, you can create a uniform appearance by adding a background image using the slide master. तो ये वीडियो केमती लगिला लाइक शेयर कमेंट रे कहबा को भूलबेनी.